Hello, good morning and welcome to my vlog. My name is Gail and I'm the host of Random Life Productions, and today I have a gadget to show you which is contained in that black case. I like to keep gadgets in cases so that when I go out I can throw them in my bag and they're easily accessible to pick up when I need them. So I'll open this case up and you can see what I've got inside. Right, so in front of you is the PGY Tech backpack mount for your GoPro, your Osmo Action, your GoPros, your Osmo Actions. I've also had my OSMO Pocket on here, but I had to turn it round and I had to put an extender on it so that it would jut out a little bit so I could move the Osmo around a bit. Obviously, if you use your mobile phone, you'll get much better shots. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how I attach this to my backpack, and after I've attached it to the backpack, I will then give you footage of what this is capable of when it's attached to your backpack with a GoPro, the Hero 7 and the Hero 8. The PGY shoulder strap is now mounted to my backpack. You can adjust the height of the mount by adjusting the little clip at the side, and that will move it up and down the backpack. It secures very firmly and very snugly, and when it's on your shoulders it's very secure and doesn't feel like it's going to move. I like this way of vlogging because I haven't got anything in my hand. I'm just walking with the camera mounted on my bag, and it gives you a first person perspective. And like I said, it's suitable for your FIMI Palms, your Osmo Actions, your Osmo Pockets, or anything that has that old-fashioned GoPro Hero 8 mount. Today I'm going to be walking around Kingston. I'm going to be filming in 2.7K at 60 frames a second. I find this is the most effective way of filming on the GoPro. One, it doesn't swallow up too much of your SD card, and two, it doesn't take ages to render onto YouTube. There's a little stabilization on it, but I feel that having it on your shoulder gives you like gimbal-like stabilization. Haven't quite worked out the Ninja Walk yet. However, even with the 3-axis control of a 3-axis gimbal, you don't get that. So here I am, I'm walking in Kingston Town Centre. Love this place. The shops are finally open. So I walk through Kingston and have a look at a few shops. I went into John Lewis. I had to adhere to the 2-meter rule. That's going to be changing next week. So far the stores are pretty quiet, but I feel as the days go by and as the times go by, that will be subject to change. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you think of the mounting with the GoPro. I'm going to try and do a little bit of color grading on this. I'm still having trouble with that, but I am determined that I'm going to overcome it. Thank you again for watching, and I do hope you enjoy the views of Kingston. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
We're lying there on the bed above the sheets. No one's saying a word, but I can feel your heartbeat. I stare into your eyes and you into mine, lying perfectly still, like we are frozen in time. I don't want this to be over, don't want the morning to come. My head upon your shoulder, wishing that you would say, I think you should stay, I think you should stay. I want you to say that it's getting late. I want you to stay, I want you to stay. We were young and no one dared to make the first move. You and me in the night, two souls in the moonlight. I stare into your eyes and you into mine, lying perfectly still, like we have frozen time. I don't want this to be over,